Welcome back again. Your boy Domino 7 is still filming in the rain. You know, I'm under here. I'm not completely in the rain, if you know what the hell I mean. Some of y'all probably saying, Domino, you lost your mind filming in the rain. Well, whatever you say, I don't give a damn what y'all think. Alright. Here's a neighbor here. Well, she just stepped inside, you see. Gotta pull my pants up. Wow, look at this. Hey, how y'all doing? Are y'all enjoying the rain? All right, y'all have a nice day. I'm doing my show while it's raining. Yep. Oh, sure, I sure am. Welcome to my show. Glad y'all joined. About to go post my videos right now. Alrighty. Well, the name of the episode is called Domino 7 in the rain. But guess what? I'm not really in the rain. I'm standing in the shelter thing, whatever you call it. Huh? What you say? Oh, what you say?
You gonna put it on YouTube right now?
Oh, I sure am. Okay.
And what's
Oh, on the Domino 7. It's called the Domino 7 Show in the rain. Alright. Alrighty. So anyway, I better go inside before my mom get upset with me. Alright.